Hi everyone, Pete here. Today I'm going to show you how to perform a device test on the LogiFire 4118 panel. Let's get started. First, enter the panel menu by navigating to System, then Maintenance, followed by Test, and finally Device Test. The menu will show Verification of Communication. Here you'll see information like device type, address, loop number, and a yes/no field. You can select the device number to check the communication of the selected device on the loop. At the bottom, next to yes/no, the numbers to the left of the backlash are healthy returns or packets, and the numbers to the right are unhealthy returns or packets. Unhealthy returns may indicate a device has been removed. There's an open circuit, or the device is not responding. You can select the reset option to reset both values to 0. After a short time, the device will either communicate or not, which you can see by viewing the values live. This is a service menu for verifying communication between the panel and the devices connected to the loop. The user can select the loop and address number of a device and check the number of communication packets in the yes/no field. The connection can be reset with the reset button at the top. And that's how you perform a device test on the LogiFire 118 panel. Thanks for watching. Happy testing.